Hey everyone, it's Hannah from Sheet Leveler. In this video, I'm going to show you how to restrict edit access to a specific range in Google Sheets. Let's say you have multiple sheets, you have multiple editors, and there's one specific range that you do not want people to edit. For example, this is our 2024 sales sheet. We only want editors to fill in column B. If they change anything in column A or column C, our data is going to be a mess. So here's how to lock that down. Step 1. Open Protected Sheets and Ranges. Click on the arrow next to the Sheet tab name. Select Protect Sheet. Over on the right-hand side, you'll see the Protected Sheets and Ranges panel. By default, it may say Sheet. But we don't want to protect the whole sheet. We want to protect specific ranges, so change it to Range. Step 2. Protect column A. Now we're going to select column A. You can either type A, or click and drag to select the column. Then click Set Permissions. Choose Restrict who can edit this range, and set it so that only you can edit. Click Done. Now column A is locked. Step 3. Protect column C. We're going to repeat the same process for column C. Select column C, click Protect Range, set permissions, restrict editing to only yourself. Click Done. Now both column A and column C are protected, which means the only editable column left is column B. Editors can safely enter data into B without touching anything else. Step 4. Protect the header up. Optional but important. If you don't want someone editing the header of column B, for example the title Sales in cell B1, you need to protect that separately. Select just B1. Add another protected range. Restrict it to only yourself. Click Done. Now, column A is protected. Column C is protected. Header in B1 is protected. Only column B data cells are editable. And that's exactly what we want. Why this matters? This is incredibly useful when you have shared sheets, you're collecting form-like input, you're managing team data entry, you want structure without accidental edits. Instead of protecting the entire sheet, you control exactly what can and can't be edited. If you're looking to get more out of your Google Sheets than you ever have before, subscribe to Sheet Leveler here on YouTube. I share practical spreadsheet tips, automation ideas, and smart ways to protect your data. And I'll see you in the next one.